birthday!
Good morning, everyone. I'm Mew Mew. Today is my birthday. I'm gonna have a cake and blow out some candles. I wonder what presents my friends will give me. Kiki! Everyone! Good morning!
Hi, Mew Mew. Well, we've gotta go. See you later.
Oh, where are you going?
I can't tell you right now. Bye.
All right, bye. Why aren't they playing with me? They don't care about my birthday. I guess I'll go home.
Shh! We're going to throw Mew Mew a surprise party, but keep it a secret.
Wow, these cakes are really beautiful.
Wow! Strawberry, chocolate, fruit, it's all here. Let's make the most delicious cake for Mew Mew's birthday.
Make a cake. That's a very good idea.
Mew Mew will love it.
Kiki, blueberries are yummy. Put them on top of the cake.
I brought some flour for the cake.
I brought a lot of Mew Mew's favorite strawberries. I have some big strawberries.
Wow, you guys are the best. What else do we need? That's it. Eggs, milk, and white sugar. I'll get them. I'm back. Phew. Now we have everything we need. Let's start making the cake. Crack some eggs first. Add a bit of sugar. And some milk. And now some flour next. And mix it all together. Look, we made the dough. Okay, let's add some chocolate dough. Mew Mew loves chocolate cake. Roll out the dough. Hoo-hoo, we're going to make a two-colored cake. Use this cake mold to cut it. Wow, it's really pretty. Let's make this a chocolate cake. Hoo-hoo, a two-tiered cake. Okay, now let's put it in the oven. Woohoo! It's done! Check out our two-tiered cake! Squeeze on the chocolate cream. Yum! My mouth is watering! Let's put on some strawberries. One here, and one here. Over here. Let's put one here too. Now we squeeze out the whipped cream. A little bit here too. Wow! Now we can put the blueberries on the cream. And lastly, the very, very big strawberry. Ta-da! The two-tiered chocolate and fruit cake is ready.
Wow, it's really beautiful.
Pretty.
Let's make a cake. Eggs, sugar, milk, flour,
party for Mew Mew!
Mew Mew has no idea that her friends are throwing a surprise birthday party for her. She's going home disappointedly.
They're not my friends. They don't even remember my birthday. And turn me away. Wow, that's a beautiful wagon. Huh? It's coming for me?
Hi, I'm the delivery man. Is this Mew Mew's house?
Yes, it is.
Ah, that's good. Here are your packages. Please sign and take them.
Wow, there's so many surprise eggs. Woohoo! I'm so excited. So many gifts. They must be from Kiki and my other friends. I knew it. They could never forget about my birthday. Which one should I open first? This one. Huh? Someone's coming. Who is it?
Mew Mew!
Happy birthday! Wow! Thanks, everyone. Come in, please.
Mew Mew, we made this cake for you! Happy birthday to you!
Mew Mew, happy birthday! Mew Mew, happy birthday! Wow, this is so nice! A chocolate fruit cake! It's my favorite. You guys are so sweet. Thank you so much. I'm so happy.
Let's put the candles on the cake!
Yes!
Now, make a wish and blow them out!